Hey, I'm cgamble with E.A. Nelson Company in Florence, Alabama. We've got Massey Ferguson tractors in stock from all sizes, ranging from 24 horsepower all the way to 75 horsepower. Right here I've got a 36 horsepower turbo tractor. It's got the front loader, four-wheel drive, 3-point hitch, premium controls and options. And then I've got a 75 horsepower Massey Ferguson 4707 cab tractor with a loader, four-wheel drive, 2 remotes, and other premium features. So we're going to talk a little bit more about this 1835 today and the 4707. So let's go and look at them a little closer. All right, we're going to talk about this 1835M Massey Ferguson compact tractor today. The 1835M features a 1.8 liter Iseki turbo diesel engine that produces over 36 horsepower maximum output. It also features a heavy-duty premium 3-point hitch with telescoping rear arms, all steel fenders, all steel hood. It features 4-wheel drive, mechanical activated 4-wheel drive, and it has the quick attach, quick detach front end loader that can be removed from the tractor in a little bit over 2 minutes and reinstalled on the tractor in about the same amount of time. This front end loader features a skid steer quick attach implement mounting system standard, where other models you would have to pay extra for this feature. You simply pull the 2 levers up and back out from under the implement, and then just pull up to the implement that you want to put on and then lock the levers in place. This is the FL series loaders that Massey Ferguson offers. They are considered a smart loader, and what that means is that this loader has availability to have an optional third function valve for use with such like a grapple or a post hole auger. And you could also get the soft ride feature on this loader optional, which allows the tractor to ride a lot smoother when you have a load in the bucket moving across the ground. The hydraulic flow on this tractor is 12.6 gallons per minute, which is much higher than most utility tractors of this size, especially older models. 12.6 gallons per minute will give you unmatched loader operation and speeds, and will also be enough to power most implements from the front loader or from the rear of the tractor hydraulically. This is a Tier 5 engine, which is the most current system out there. It does have the diesel particulate filter system, but it does not take the diesel exhaust fluid. This system has advanced over a Tier 4 in many ways, and one of those ways is that under normal conditions or under normal use, you will not have to regenerate this tractor or perform a regeneration on the engine until about 50 hours, which for a lot of people is about once a year. This tractor also has the pause feature on the regeneration system, So if you were working in a tight or a confined area, such as really thick, heavy brush in the woods or inside a barn, you could pause the regeneration and let it perform it at a later time. This tractor features ground level fueling. The fuel tank is ground level, protected by a skid plate. Most Massey Fergusons are designed this way for the simple ease of fueling the tractor and the safety of it, whereas other competitive tractors have the fueling on top of the hood where you have to hoist the heavy fuel can above your shoulders, and it's also not as safe when fueling on top of a hot engine and risk spilling and causing a fire or damaging the paint of the tractor. You'll notice that this tractor is a M series. The M stands for premium, and some of the premium features on this tractor are far superior than what you would get standard on any other model of competitive tractors such as John Deere, Mahindra, or Kubota. Some of those features include the larger steel fenders with the reflectors at the rear, your work light protective guards. These telescoping arms here are really nice when hooking up implements, and you can't move the implement or to get it lined up properly. You just simply pull out on this arm, hook everything up like it needs to be, and if you reverse the tractor toward the implement, it locks everything back in place without getting off the tractor. Another premium feature on this tractor is the pin style stabilizer arms. Heavy duty and very easy and quick to adjust and operate. You can see it does come with the top link here, and it comes with a toolbox standard right here behind the seat. Now down here, we'll look, and you get a PTO guard standard. Your drawbar, pull bar comes standard on this tractor. It's just tucked out of the way under the tractor for storage. But right here, you can pull this pin and this set screw. The drawbar slides out to be used. And then here's your PTO shaft. It does have the cover over it to protect it. Another premium feature of this tractor is going to be having the PTO control switch right here on the side of the fender. Say you're running a grain auger, a post hole auger that you need to control the bit of, or any other implement that requires close attention. You can control the operation of PTO on and off right here on the side of the fender without having to get on and off the tractor. This tractor features the R4 style, what they call an industrial tread tires, a really wide tire. And the industrial tread is very popular now in the industry due to its low ground pressure, less aggressive tread, while giving you really good traction compared to the R1 style farm lug for just general utility use. Now, some of the features on this tractor that come with this premium model compared to the economy series are going to be the built-in joystick built into the console here for better ergonomics. Also, your 3-point hitch lower and raise control right here on the side of the fender console, as well as the throttle control, which is a fingertip manual control to set the cruise on the engine throttle. All of that's going to be built in right there at operator's reach. Very comfortable ergonomics and really nicely thought out. Another premium feature are the armrest and the contoured seat. that come on this tractor. Moving on down, you see that you have dual brake pedals for the left and right brakes. If you're plowing, you can unlock this to get better control in the field. And then you lock it anytime you're on the road or moving at a higher speed with a load in front of or behind you. You do have a foot throttle here, and you do have access on this side of the tractor to get up and down off the tractor. Your fuel filter on the engine and your primer pump are located right there under that rubber grommet. Very easy to get to prime your engine. Your oil filter is located right there on the side of the block. It's a spin-on. And then coming around to this side, you have your dipstick, which makes it really easy to check the oil in this engine. Now, it does have an automotive style hood. You simply release it here. And the hood comes up that easy. In the front of the tractor, you have your air cleaner housing, really easy to get to the air filter there. Your battery is right up front, as well as your radiator and oil cooler. You have a pull-out metal screen, not plastic, to service and clean the radiator. And new for this year on this body style, they're featuring the redesigned front hood with the HID projector lighting. Another feature of this premium model over the economy series is the solid metal cowling under the seat and on top of the transmission here. It's fully enclosed, solid, it's not open, no risk for you to lose anything through the tractor or anything to be damaged by falling limbs or sticks or weather. It's fully enclosed, solid steel cowling. It is an adjustable spring assisted ride seat. You have a high, low, and medium range transmission. So you have 3 ranges, and then you have 4 speeds. And Massey Ferguson, on the premium series, they have all their shift levers and control levers on the side consoles and nothing in the middle. That way you have a flat floor for ease and safety of getting on and off the tractor. You engage the mechanical 4-wheel drive with this lever, and then your PTO back here with this lever. This lever actually doesn't engage the PTO. It just places it in neutral for safety, or to use it back here at the rear. But you would engage, take it out of neutral there, and then over here on the dash is where you actually turn it on and off. So to operate the PTO and turn it on and off, you simply push down and turn the button. It does have a soft start feature that you can turn on. It is less aggressive when you engage the PTO, such as if you have a bush hog or a rotary cutter or something that would be really aggressive starting up. It has a soft start feature to help save the drive line, to help save the clutch in the tractor, and you can activate that to have a soft start PTO. Also, it has what I call like an emergency quick stop on the PTO disengagement. Say something happens or you want to get off the tractor, it's a really, really quick and easy way to disengage the PTO. You simply just push the button and it's off. You don't have to turn it, just push it and it's off. So while we're sitting on the tractor, we're going to go ahead and look at some of these controls. You do have the foot operated tilt steering, which was an older option on these tractors they brought back. Just press and tilt wherever you'd like it. You have your horn here in the center cap. And here you have your lighting and turn signal indicators. And over here is a really nice feature they have on this tractor, being a premium model, what they call the power shuttle. And it's basically a shuttle shift that's clutchless. It's electro-hydraulic. And you can change from forward to reverse at the flick of one finger without using the clutch. I'm going to start the tractor up and I'm going to demonstrate what I mean by that. So we'll press the clutch to start the tractor. We're going to select our range. I'm going to put it in medium range all the way back. And we're going to select first gear out of medium. So you do actually have 12 speeds forward and 12 speeds in reverse. As you can see, it's really comfortable to operate this loader. The way they have the controls laid out, we're going to raise our loader. And then I'm going to, if you'll look, I'm going to let off this clutch. Move my foot over so you can tell I'm not using the clutch. We have our gear selected and we're going to go forward. And we're at idle speed. All right, to go reverse, simply just pull it back. And go to neutral, go to the center. So there you have the Massey Ferguson 1835 M Series premium tractor. And for a price in the mid-20s with the loader, four-wheel drive, clutchless power shuttle, and the adjustable three-point hitch and all, you really get the most for your money compared to a Mahindra, Kubota, or a John Deere. And then you can do it in comfort. Whether you need a 35 horsepower tractor or anything smaller or larger, we can take care of you with a new Massey Ferguson.